Hello guys, I'm back with another new video. Today's video is about how to add and verify site on Bing Webmaster Tools for gain organic traffic. And there are a lot of problems in add and verified site. I face many problems, and one of them are to add and verify blogspot site, and same process is followed in WordPress site also. And so I teach you how to add and verify your blogspot site on Bing Webmaster Tools. So follow the steps. First of all, open your browsers. I open Edge browsers. So here search web master tools tool and editor. First link, click here, and I have already login in web Bing master tools. And look at here, I have already verified to blogspot site, but trend clipper blogspot.com is not verified. Click here, and here look at here, download the file. Click here, and look at here, open it. Look at here, users, this user, copy it, and repeat, and nice. And okay, here trend clippers. Then go to the theme, and here click here and edit HTML, and scroll down, hit open here, open VS Code, and this copy here, and hit open section, enter, Control V, and this comment copy here, paste here, and another comment copy and paste it, and save. Click here and processing. Wait few minutes. Update successfully, and here click here, trend clipper. Click here and verify. Clicking verify. That's it. Congratulations, site addition successfully. Your domain https trendclipper.blogspot.com is successfully added into Bing Webmaster Tools. And so follow these steps, and you can easily add and verify site on Bing Webmaster Tools, and you can easily get organic traffic from many countries. And click here, done. Here all three blogspot sites are verified. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you are new in my channel, please subscribe, comment in my channel. Thank you.